Hello, this is a short presentation of a USB charging cable, a very compact USB charging cable which you can put on your keyring, as you can see. This is not meant to be your main charging cable. This is supposed to be very compact for your travels or to carry in your everyday life. Everyday carry, EDC, as you may know. So this is magnetic. It opens like this. You connect it to a power bank or a wall outlet if you have a compact wall charger with you, and you can charge your USB-C devices as well as your Lightning compatible devices, your iPhones, your iPads, and your MicroUSB devices. So it's kind of even all-in-one. It doesn't have fast charging, but as I said, this is supposed to be kind of an emergency cable which you can take with you everywhere because of its small size. It's pretty cheap, below $10, and the quality of the cable seems pretty solid. The magnets are as strong as they should be, so to speak, and overall it's a great addition to your everyday gear set. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below.